There you go. Next one.
I don't have the mirror.
We don't need no mirror here.
Kevin always needs a mirror.
No mirror.
Kevin's always doing something perverted. He definitely has that when I'm wearing a skirt.
No mirror. Huh, tell him.
Mirror.
There you go, man. Oh, you got those.
Thank you.
All right, so I'll move that pipe out of the way. Why? Then move it out of the way. It's not hot, man. It's not hot. Shouldn't be.
That was fucked up.
There you go.
Got him.
No, just leave it like that. Right there. There you go. It was hot or what?